ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋಭಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ, ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ, ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ, ವ್ಯಾಸಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. In Srimad Bhagavatam 5th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, on top of Lokaloka mountain, on four sides, there are four elephants called as Rushabhamu, Pushkara Chudamu, Vamanamu, Aparajitamu. Chaturmukha Brahma arranged them so that they can take care of Sakala Loka Sthiti Hetavaha, take care of the welfare of all the worlds. And also Paramatma Sriman Narayana, who is filled up with all great divine attributes and qualities, he will be present on that Lokaloka Parvatam. And Sriman Narayana is the master of Ekapad, Tripad, both kinds of worlds. And Paramatma is Sarvantaryami, he is all over there. And also he is present on that Lokaloka mountain. Lokapalanancha vividha virya upabrahmanaya bhagavan parama mahapurushaha. He will be giving all the strength to all those elephants. And Paramatma's Divyamangala Vigraham, the divine form, is filled up with pure Sattvika Gunam. Only those who have such great attainments can recognize, identify such Paramapurusha Sriman Narayana. Vishvaksenadibhihi swaparshada pravaraihi parivaritaha. Vishvaksena and all other parivaram. Paramatma will be present on that Lokaloka mountain with all that parivaram. And he will be having such a beautiful, powerful, glowing shoulders which are carrying Shankha, Chakra and all those kind of weapons and ornaments. Like that Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching to Parikshin Narendra. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana.